Hello everyone, my name is Carmen Muller. I am a teaching assistant professor at the Mechanical and Materials Engineering Department at the College of Engineering and Computer. This is my contact information, and today's talk is how to enable Honorlock in Canvas. The first thing that we have to do is go to Settings, and in Navigation tab, we have to pull out the Honorlock that is usually in the bottom box to our visible menu. So there, if you put it up in our menu and save, then you will have Honorlock enabled in your left side menu of your course. Now, if you go to quizzes, you see that you have two quizzes there, and when you tap Honorlock, you will see that those two quizzes are there. You will be able to enable those quizzes, and I will show you shortly. I have other two quizzes that come from a third party. When you create a quiz in the Quizzes tab, so let's do that. Let's create a test quiz. And let's write this is a test quiz for the students if they see it, right? So, and I save it, you will see that this quiz that we just created appears in Honorlock. So this quiz appears, so we can enable it, and then we have all the proctoring settings. Those are the settings that I always put as here, and I like to browse guard. So, and then I allow them to use notes and scratch paper. And if I have special accommodations, I can do special instructions for Honorlock and I enable the quiz. Now that the quiz is enabled, I can see the results. Of course, nobody has taken this test yet, so we have no results yet, right? But if we go to the exams and I see the results of, for example, my first exam that they already took, you see the names of the students that I blurred, and then we can go to see the results, and we will see the video of the person taking the exam. We can fast forward the video, and we can actually place to see each moment of the exam, and that it will be recording the person, and it will be recording the screen to see what the student is looking at. So if you see a red highlight, you can actually see what was happening in that particular moment. So let's go to the third-party exam. So in my case, I use my Lab and Master, which is a Pearson platform for my statics and my dynamics class. I will open the platform, but what is important is that I create the exam on the platform, and as you see, if I sync, that exam come from that other platform and is located in assignments. Since it's not located in quizzes, it will not be transferred directly to Honorlock. Therefore, when I go to Honorlock, I have to enable that third-party assignment. So I go to these three dots here in the top corner, and then I do the exam one. I have to write the exam one, which is the one that I wrote. I put exactly the same dates and time as I did in my third-party platform. And then I have to put exactly the same password as I put in my platform. This is very important because you will not give the password to the students, because otherwise they will be able to access the exam without being in Honorlock. So you have to put exactly the same password, and the password will be input by Honorlock. So I do my proctoring settings, I do browser guide, and here I add the name of the platform. I have the URL, so I add it. And then I have the platform so that the Honorlock can access that other web page where they have to take the exam. And if I have special accommodation, then I create the exam. what I usually do is that in my announcements, I gave very detailed instructions how to take the exam. And here are my instructions. And what is important is that I give them a YouTube video on how to use Honorlock.
Hi there! Today I'll be showing you how to take an Honorlock Universal Exam. A universal exam is an exam taken with an external third-party website. Please be sure that you're using Google Chrome and select your Honorlock tab within your learning management system.
Watch the entire video, but it's very important and it's key that in minute 219 is where they explain how to introduce the password with Honorlock and Canvas. So I just will play that little piece of the video.
Please locate the exam you wish to take and you'll be presented with a password field. You won't have to enter the password yourself. Please align your cursor within the password field and open your Honorlock window and select Insert Password. The password will automatically be filled in by Honorlock.